Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. In today's home construction, designing a shower space that combines elegance and accessibility is crucial. A curbless shower not only elevates a bathroom's aesthetics, but also supports age-in-place living, offering homeowners both comfort and long-term functionality. Well, today we're in Raleigh, North Carolina, home to VIM Products, Incorporated, pioneers of the original level entry curbless shower system. Founded in 2012 by a master plumber and tile contractor, VIM Products has led the way in designing tile showers that blend style, functionality, and durability. Their code-approved level entry shower system helps create tile showers that are luxurious and spa-like while ensuring barrier-free accessibility. What makes the VIM system stand out? Versatility. Whether for new construction or renovation, its 7/8-inch thick shower pan simplifies installation without notching or lowering structural supports. It's compatible with various floor systems, including I-joists, engineered trusses, traditional joists, and concrete slabs. Made from recycled ABS plastic, the pre-sloped pan is exceptionally durable while remaining environmentally responsible. Paired with multi-layered liquid waterproofing, it guarantees a leak-free, mold-resistant shower that lasts for years. VIM Products is committed to excellence, providing customers with expert guidance from selection through installation to ensure every project meets the highest standards. For builders, contractors, and homeowners seeking to combine style and accessibility, VIM Products is the perfect solution. Learn more at vimproducts.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.